with TinyChefs. Today we are working our way through the rainbow and we are going to discuss our orange fruits and our orange vegetables. So I have a few laid out here, and these fruits and vegetables can be purchased at a grocery store or a farmer's market, or if you have a green thumb, you can grow them right in your own backyard. And the benefits of growing your own fruits and vegetables in your own backyard is that your kids can, and you can, enjoy going right outside and picking them yourselves. You can be more exploratory with what you are going to make with your foods, because you've got things right in your, your own disposal. You don't have to go to a grocery store or go out to get it. So if you are growing carrots, you know that they are going to be grown in the ground and they're going to come out looking like this. Now, this carrot, before you use it, you're going to want to peel it. Some grocery stores put the carrot into baby carrots, okay, where they peel them and they cut them just for ease and convenience, okay? So these are a wonderful snack that I have daily, and I put inside my hummus, or I dip with my hummus, and you can make all kinds of dips. You can put it in your salads. Really good. My children actually like this vegetable if I steam it up. Well, at least one of my girls likes this vegetable if I steam it up. So steamed carrots, and then the benefits of carrots are beta carotene and vitamin A. So again, eat it steamed or eat it raw or eat it sauteed, however you like to do it. It has a natural sweetness, so if you're going to make a marinara sauce, this is a great way. Instead of putting in a little sugar, you can put in a carrot. You could use it in baked goods and like carrot cake or carrot muffins. Okay, next is our orange bell pepper. One of my favorite vegetables are the bell pepper family. And so this is the orange one. And I use it a lot in stir fries. I use it a lot in omelets. You can just have it raw with dips. So delicious and so good for you. Vitamin C, B6, it has folate, and beta carotene. Okay, so the next two are fruits, and we've got our orange, right? And oranges come in all different types of oranges, navel oranges, and the little ones, geez, I'm drawing a blank on the little cuties. I don't have a little cutie here, but sometimes they have those. Mandarin oranges. So this orange has vitamin C in it, B1, and folate. And so obviously you can make like a juice out of it, right? When you get a juicer and just have it straight. No added sugar, no added anything. My girls actually make orange juice with, it's one of the most exciting things that they do with oranges. You can cut it up and put it into little fruit salads, or just have it as is. This is a nectarine. Looks a lot like a peach, but it has a smoother skin, and it has a pit inside, grows from a tree. Lots of things that many times I've used a nectarine and or a peach to make a nice cobbler or a nice pie or a nice fruit salad. Peaches are known for their folate and their iron, and they have vitamins A, C, E, and K. So here are some orange vegetables and fruits that you can introduce into your family's diet, or if you're if you already are using them and I gave you a new idea for some way to use them, that's awesome too. Enjoy.